Hey everyone, welcome back to Quad Tech. Today, I'm going to show you a super easy trick to take screenshots right inside Google Chrome, no extra extensions or add-ons needed. If you're tired of cluttering up your browser with unnecessary tools, or if you just want a fast, built-in solution, this video is for you. I'll walk you through each step to activate Chrome's hidden screenshot tool using just a few clicks. So make sure to stick around, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you find this helpful. Let's dive in. To enable the screenshot feature in Chrome through Chrome, flags, follow these steps. In the Chrome address bar, type Chrome, flags, and press Enter. This opens the experimental features page. In the search bar at the top of the page, type Screenshot. Look for a flag labeled Desktop Screenshots and Support Tool Screenshot. Click the drop-down next to the flag and select Enabled. After enabling the flag, click the Relaunch button that appears to restart Chrome and apply the changes. Once Chrome restarts, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner of Chrome. Go to Cast, then Save and Share, where you'll now see the screenshot option. This will allow you to take a screenshot without needing an extension. And that's it! Now you know how to take screenshots in Chrome without any extra extensions. Quick, easy, and clutter-free. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.